How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really fun unboxing that I'm excited about. I have no clue what to expect. I've been talking to Mike for probably 2 months now in the Fishing Minnesota Facebook group, where I was asking what boxes should I get. I want to do some reviews, really getting into the open water stuff. I'm a diehard ice fisherman, and Mike's like, hey, I've got, CRAQERJAQ baits. I could probably put something together for you, and that's what this is. I'm super excited about it, but without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and let's see what these things look like. All right, thank you from CRAQERJAQ Baits. Oh, sweet. Instead of a business card, he's got a little magnet. Nice logo. Made in Minnesota. I absolutely love it. So I love the magnet idea. Some tissue paper. Wow, look at these. And again, remember, these are all hand painted. Look at just the work and effort that went into these guys. Of course, it's got a rattle in it, high quality. The eye is open. The detail that went into this is great. These are some nice big treble hooks. I love the eyes on it. Super wonderful. I love that bait already. Holy smokes, look at this guy. So we've got a square bill on this guy. Look at that. He even put inscribed CRAQERJAQ Baits 21 on the bottom of it. We've got an orange to like a white on the bottom. Real nice gill plate there. Dark top. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's some fleck in the paint as well. So it's got a little bit of sparkle on the top there. Treble hooks on these guys again. High quality treble hooks. No shortage anywhere on this guy. Really, really nice. Next up here, I absolutely love this color in baits. I don't know what it is. The red, orange coloring on it. Look at those like tiger stripes on it. Just beautiful. We've got black with blue fleck on the top. Real nice spot to tie your line to. Again, wonderful big treble hooks on this guy. And look at that dark blue around the eye. You can see the orange in the eye there. Orange in the eye on the other side. Wonderfully painted baits. You can tell the detail that went into each of these. Look at this thing. Wow, I've never seen a bait like this. It's got a big bill on it. Look at the detail on this. Green and gold. These two little eyes on it. The big front part. Two big treble hooks. This thing is just awesome. Into the light blue on the back, and then we've got the snail-like back on it with the spot for your line to go. This thing's going to be a killer in the water. I think this is already my favorite one. I'm really excited about this guy right here. We've also got one of these, bigger bill on the front of this guy. We've got dark brown with some gold fleck in the very top of this. We've got white on the bottom fading into the green. Look at those eyes. Those eyes are trippy. It makes you like see inside of it. Really googly eyed. There's green. This one looks almost more reflective and like a gold like. Orange on the front side of it. The paint job is just pristine. Wonderful job on these. Again, two really nice treble hooks. We've got this guy. This is a top water bait. It's got the spinning tail on it. This thing's gonna get eaten. That's for sure. The eyes on these, look at those eyes. They're like little slanted daredevil type like eyes. It's got that realistic minnow body paint on it. Really dark on the top. You can kind of see the fins in that going down the side. Really, really nice job. And it's all got like a clear coating over the top to make it glossy. He's done a really nice job with these. The front, here's the front look at this guy. Tie your line in, two treble hooks. Wonderful bait. We got a little box here that says for the weight. Like I said, he's been working on this for a couple of months. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay, this is now my favorite. This thing is gonna kill crappie, walleye, bass, you name it. This thing is gonna do some work. We've got a nice treble hook on the bottom, orange, dark color on the front. We've got yellow into the stripes on it, the back and the top. Wow. This thing's gonna be deadly out on the water. Really excited. Nice job, Mike. Here it is, everybody. CRAQERJAQ baits. You can see what I got in this box. I'm absolutely ecstatic about this. The quality of the paint job on these, the attention to detail, absolutely second to none. Check him out. If you're on Fishing Minnesota, I know he's on there. Contact him here. Contact information is here. I know he's on, I think, all the social media websites as well. If you like this unboxing and want to see more as I do some more exclusives coming up, check out the playlist that's on the screen. And until next time, as always, take it easy.